726-732322. JMAP Preparatory School. Jishinde. Ushinde.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero edukecholide ili kubato kachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nibwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganiri erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Kenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere singwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi eh? Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Mwanchumo ligerelia nonsense origete TV yao ya Getembe litukeliga lia Aramisi tariki 2 omutinyo 10 umwaka no 2025 chinga kia manga yantakane kiwa chinsemo au ime na isiko ya gusi yagene kionga chinsa bire asenchira yobo ikirano chiri ngor kwaro ni toto nyangiri oitoko batana kwanta menyelio niga korkwa Wilson Makoli na negatiana kwalganiri ase kionga chinsa bire emagoro balero.
We are not doing anything and it's really affecting us. The money we are given from home, the money is over. And parents are asking us to go back home. Some of us don't even have the fare to go back home.
Aborokia Beach University kwe murungania kubwatikana muno mugiro bwa borokia oyuo ogenderete ase iki ya gatatu bono.
Tuko na waombeaji 16 and I think could be one of the largest. So hii party ni ya kutetemesha, sio party ya mdomo.
Ikiama kia UPA kubwatoka certificate cha sabarwana libaye ase obochorio boke bomotienyi ogocha.
Ndobwa atinjerende ekemeriye cyane kitegemeo yaito wane kamogo to yaroche ngaito ko irabana abana siko bakobera January gakitokonye
abaremi bekemeriye cyae kurwase e factory ya Gianchore kwe murungania kubwatikana amone ponasi yo nyarko bage kubwatokwa. Mwantu murigereria kionga chinsebere litukulia lero nigo togochaka namangana abwatraniti omugiro bwa borokia Beach University oyu aberiko kugendera aza chiki isato bono kubwatikana muno mugiro oyu nigo aborokigwa besokire na kurwa ebirengere byabo asobanya ko bakwarera amange anamo namakongwari babera gwetira chingaki omugiro oyu ogenderete munagotume muri kito Daniel Ntiri.
Tichikane mugaso hase gitekiga ki University ya Kisii yegotoka ime yomocho bosongo mubaro bwaborokigwa nigorolekanire gokea kubwatekana numugiro bwaborokia babo nzachinde gati yaborokigwa bakale chinka gose bakale gwesomera hase chinyomba cyabo umugiro yiga nigo chagete hase heiki ya kabere bono kolete melindo hase sekta yichisemi igento haboroki wabaiga bakwanira ububeta yale bwabanalirie.
We're supposed to be studying on normal occasions and apparently we are not studying because of the strike that is going on and it's really affecting most of us because some of us were given food from home. The food has ended. There's no teaching taking place. We are not doing anything. And it's really affecting us. The money we were given from home, the money is over. And parents are asking us to go back home. Some of us don't even have the fare to go back home.
Like it may affect hizo ma classes since like hadi nasumbuka like kukaa kwa daa kwa keja. You like na kuinawa juizi na stool na food. Like class ilikuwa inaniokalanga at least naenda kitukata saa 2 vidaru. Nikirudi narudi jioni hapa hivyo like at least nimesikia hiyo lunch time so no like mimi affect sana so like sasa nahangaika hakuna hustle
korengana na barabu obogima tayari bwachakire kubakongera asoko burwa hegati ya maganyo yengencho obwoba bokoira na inse ke masomo na gosoma asigeka
tu na ngoja tu like we are just left stranded atujua tarisiu lini tu
omugiro iga nigoboigo oirire gati yobonchulia koire nanse na monase sekta yobosombi nechinga kecho boigo abaroki wabaiga bakwanira ogosemeri kwabo hase wizara gukoro kwigwana nabaiga bako bamegerio eliore nako bachinga kichinyeroro chigokora masomabo.
Need to act positively to this issue of the ongoing strike, at least our lecturers to consume back to our classes. It is going to boost even our creativity and it is going to help us to grow well. Again, it is going to boost our knowledge the way we had expected when we were working hard and smart from high school.
We don't want to repeat one full year because there was a strike going on and we didn't get to learn some semesters. Yeah, it will affect our graduation and the year we are supposed to finish school. Yet we have some plans, you know, we have plans for the future. So all we are asking is the government to comply and pay our able lecturers.
Nkurubutere gataseni kia gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii litere ngoro kwa Daniel Ntiri.
Na mwanjwa omorigere togenderete ne chingwana anamone birengere bigente gusangwa igoro ya bonus yechae nigori tukulia rero abaremi nababwatani be factory ya Gianchore banyaka bakumirana zibagenda kwe murungania igoro yerigori rikerie bonus yo yanyata kabage kobachira korega nabarabu nigo banyaka bakumochia serikali anene asogota yabuna tere osona ni boikiranu elikonyara kabage kobakonya banyaka bakanyora engeria ebwendete korwase oburimi bwabo bwechae muri kito fatiga disemba na mange.
engana yogwakanwa wechibesa chainse ase bonus asa abaremi ba KTDA anene ase chifactory cha zone 10 echo chire ichifactory isanemo kurase county ya Nyamira nigo abaremi bagendrete wesokya aso kwemurunganiria chibesa echo
ntobwati njerende ekamarie cyane kitagemeo yaito wane kamugo to yaroche ngaito ko irabana abana siko bakobera January gakitokonye none president yasona nyamangana yo tokonye omwe irete cyanga motokonye wana mwato iroroche pi ngesa karti gaire cha ngabari mitokonye ke wana wapi wana tuachiro roche pi wana batara kitabanko be butatoro bana tuetenenere
Ritiko riarero nigo abaremi anene kurase factory ya Sanganyi na boigo yanchore babeire ba wesokya na kwemurunganiria chibesa echo banyorete
intwe twabeire mwaka aso mwaka kuna kulira nundete iyo totegereire twarire myaka yonsipi ntwa tokukira abantu chibesa batu akandi kishiringi 10 igo chise ni kirito ko omuntu totolere change tingo tora chaimbwate umuntu bago chimundu batora yone chituko bakane ngo ntu atochiete into ko ibantu atenga atochiete frat bono totegete aba director nto chorete kire factory nde choza ba saiki batano bono ntige tanga ntotegete batokole baragwa mone serikali ya Kenya ikiagere serikali ngo turushira usuri ko nebwate stake ni libuna nonye chaekere private ntotegete batorangererie extraordinary meeting in various factories as to wikaransa tugambe chai tuimukia mogoko kiro muntu abuli swali aba director na management na anda am stressing management ikiaga na bale experts of advice pato iraniria magwari turatwale
korengana amo na baremi abaiga nigo bagendereire kubamochia oburai bwa director bekemerekyo giechae kuna nigo babeire bakobeka chinda cyabo bosyo ase okwerigeria boka abanyene
ntorochena na director bakwe be kanete yakogera wande chimechi yabo emechi yego kubwanwe oruto eba koragera buya smart gotetani chironi tokumeti na kikato gukora gwakana antu to sabe chinde to irira bane school ntutwale gotebaiga anyambari go chigotomenta chibesa chike saringi 35 go chiguru gochakira Jumatatu no mogomo gochakira Jumatatu na maandamano chairman nyandieka ntutotete gogotebiga nayo mo chairman ogianjore chibesa cheito chemete kwabwate chibesa cheito cha dividends kwaegwa chibesa cheito chibori mo kwaonia tomentera ase bonus otoletere chibesa chito konyera abana onye tali boigo ogendenka orakora audit
ahiga boigo eba mochirie enjira eja ya gusi ekwoni wase chiro ya Mombasa na goteba nigo ingaki ya ikire na barobwo babwenete konyora echiro yabo ase bakoneria eja yabo puna enjira eyemo yokurututa puna inakie kemeriki yabo kegenderetie gokoria anena sensemo yechiro
into the directors baitu tumanye la enumeration yabo kibesito kuba irenga as by their meetings ba konyora tumanye the scope asibako bakora baika inki bakogenda bakora Mombasa ntutari kumanye gente kimono Mombasa inki bakya to Mombasa bakora bana abantu babo pachiwencho yaliro chikomura ende beno jabata baano li baano yechai lakini the real sense into bwata abantu bakotono yechai Mombasa bako kuno auctioneers untutegete we decentralize echai if possible to yaoni to yaoni yechai at factory levels aka to addition to chore pressure yamo e centro una kelicho echa yaba gusi echa yaba iruya echa yaba sigis to ira kiricho to kore auction ito abasonga ubacho chikara singecho to bararo rentu kyo teri to bwate to ni echa yitoro to ruchi na maisha ito ngakiyao niwa
omweri oye baganirie abarai bonsi bagusi korokia oburai bwabo anene asoko baigerera abaremi bekemeri giechae
yaba abarai yaba ito to chorete tayari ama no buri mbwechae igo to bachorete bacha so mulemi ekareme chandere but to represent that is what they work there also some constitution here what they ga sia they represent the people bono kuru mo MCA yende woman rep yende senator yende muchumbe yende governor there is a problem we want you this the time we to take korora ngaki obrai bwa obole osi ondogete kusi okutiga abantu babo bagusumbuka ili nimo bayikaransire myaka yonse because mbari kwenya kifedha
hinko reporter Gatembe korwase county ya Nyamira Mjefatigad Kisemba
na umanju murigarira chinga kichinsemo ao na boigo ebyama ao bigendete kuyarigania bosio bobachori oboke obogochiko babokwana kibwa omotienyo ogocho mutinyo gomeralimo astinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya ikiama kya UPG korawa amono mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira omoske mumyaribo oyiboigore omuraibwe kyamekyo yokanya kabage kubwatoka chi certificate kuchiase abarwaniri baye koregana ningwana yo mugavana omoske nyaribo nigekyameke bwatabarwaniri 15 omo asaboigo banyaka bakwanekia buna nigobero beretigege magochiko bwatrana ebya mabinde elikwanekia buna omo asiro mukoro omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i ngo irare ekerogo kyoburayibwense asobochale ono bumwaka kwejirwe na 2025 boigo nigo banyara koba bakobwa toka okobolia uchiase kiameki kugendera gwesikwa anene mono ne byama ebibyanyara koba bigochaka bwengoiga muno roboti rokobwati arokorokia.
Leo tuko hapa kusindua candidate wetu kwa by-elections.
Chingaki chinsemo ne byama ao chiganata kuyarigania sobo choliboke bumutinyo gocha ekiama ke UPA inzi yoburaibu mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira oyoboigore omuraibu ekiama ekyo omoske amosi imwaminyaribo nigo kyabwatoka chicertificate kochia asabarwaniri be kiamekyo.
So tuko na wagombeaji 16. Tuko na wagombeaji 16. And I think could be one of the largest. So hii party ni ya kutetemesha, sio party ya mdomo.
Bokwana chingaki ekyo imeyomoche o Nairobi omoske nyaribo nigakwanira obomo mugusi asaboli mugusi go chamo inse yekiama ekemo.
Kila sehemu inaungana wanakuwa pamoja. Kama sisi wa Kisii tunataka kuungana kwa chama moja. Ndio tukae kwa meza na chama zingine kutoka region zingine, na hiyo ndio Kenya inakuwa moja sasa. So hatuwezi sema ati Mukisi ataenda peke yake, ataenda na watu wengine.
Mujumbe bwebunge ya Bonchari moske Dr. Charles Njoke oyoboigo ole omokonyi bomuraibu kiamekyo nionere hata yabona kiamekyo nigo kierobeiriye bwikiranu ase obachori obwo.
And the only member of parliament kwa hichi chama. Hichi chama kimetokeza sasa kiko moto. We are seeing a lot of success going forward and we are determined to make sure that it goes to all parts of the country.
Igoro yeganga yo mwasiri mukoro Dr. Fred Matiang'i koligia kero kyoburayibwense mugavana nyaribo nigane kebuna goika kubwaterana kobeo gati yebya mabinde ebyo bikwamereria serikali ingwana yasegetwa no mulikyo manene bw'ikiamekyo omoske Jacob Bagaka.
One party chaweza kushinda uchaguzi. Kwa hivyo kwenda mbele tuko open kuungana na parti zingine,
kwamba chama chetu cha UPA ndio chama cha kwanza ambacho kilisema Mheshimiwa Matiang'i anatosha kuwa rais. Kati ya mwezi mmoja mtaona kwamba tutakuwa na ushirikiano wa karibu sana na hivi vyama. Lakini kwa sasa sisi kama UPA our candidate is Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, na tutakapoenda mbele na tuelewane na Jubilee, tuelewane na PNU na vyama vingine, basi tutakuja pamoja kwa lengo ya kutengeneza serikali.
Bagaka boigo nigamenta buna ekiama ke UPA na kyo kiarenge getanga ni kumuraga omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i igoro yokorigia ekiro kyoburayibwense na boigo nigo ekiama kyo kimwante kwegwa amaskani akebwenerete.
One thing I'm very sure is that this party will form government in 2027 because we are working with a candidate who has been liked all over. He has a track record of performance and we can agree all of us here. Unlike the other competitors who come from other parties in our united opposition. So this is not a small party. It will form government. It will work with other parties to form government. Ile chama ingine ndogo kama DCP hii hata kuwa na MCA, yesi kuja kutupatia lectures hapa. Sisi tuko na 19 MCAs elected already in this party. We have an MP here. We have a governor who is sitting already. Hii vyama imetengenezwa juzi ile ni watu wamekuja pamoja, wanalia pamoja. Watu heshimu na sisi tutasonga mbele. Asante.
Morobelyo ni gwana kiwasi chobesi chinana chikiamekyo ime yomoche o Nairobi. Aaron Ototo, Nyaingiri, Gatembe TV.
Mwanchwa umorigere toko irorera kostogeranira roboti twanyara kaba toko arakia amatuka makaitire igoro yo gotagorwa kwibanda ime ye county ya Nyamira usai memo Nyamira namone ibire mbarabale amo ne para enene nigo omo teneneri werijiko ase county yo ya Nyamira anyalikabaga gwesokia na gutukuterale chingwana ne chingoma buna nigo county ya Nyamira ya gwatanitwe ase ekolekyo niganyakaba gakorera buna yo no morbolio nyatuka kobago kwanakigwa amo ne serikali enene yo Robertie kuchikogari epare yo mna gutumunyimulikito fatika December.
And today is actually a day which will go down in history because we are here combined, all of us, 7 unions cutting across healthcare. That is nurses, we have medical laboratory, we have nutritionists, we have pharmaceutical technologists, we have public health, and we have clinical officers. What has made us to come out here because of this picketing is because we've had salaries 3 months. Salary arrears. Shame! 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 Imagine living in Nairobi with 3 months, without being paid 3 months salary. In Nairobi, you have rent to pay, you have school fees to pay, you have to transport yourself to work. It's not like we walk to work. There are so many things which Nairobi County, unfortunately, has not kept the side of its commitment. We went on strike as doctors, and we signed a...
Mwanja murigereria togusaba kwabera ase ogotutukano bwe chibicheche chiago chira sembeo njiri kubwatana amo no robot uru kuri nigo ikirabo nigo to kwenda sezemeria kabiri mutimo goto nyore enkwana yeri tuko togwera natunya kwa toko gendera nekionga chinza ibere.
Ndio umeona Kenya kila sehemu inaungana, wanakuwa pamoja. Kama sisi wa Kisii tunataka kuungana kwa chama moja, ndio tukae kwa meza na chama zingine kutoka region zingine, na hiyo ndio Kenya inakuwa moja sasa. So hatuwezi sema ati Mkisii ataenda peke yake, ataenda na watu wengine.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
mwancho muligereri karibu togendere ne kiunga chinsa ibere togeranera roboti korwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira igoro gutagorwa ko ibanda ibire mbarabare amo ne para enene nigo omutineri bwerijiko ase kaunti eyo Erastus Orina anyaka bagwesoka na gutukuterare chingumo ne birengerero huna ne kaunti ya Nyamira yabwataranirwe gose yabwataranitwe ase ogutagorerwa kwa bonjireri abo ebibande ebyo korengana nere na serikali enene ibye bwataranite negetambo kerekyo ase Robert goche kogari epare yo enene ase kaunti ya Nyamira munagotuma muliki tofauti kadi Desemba
Maiga yabaunchuriria ao abakabake kurwasi kaunti ya Nyamira anene baria bagokorera obunchuriria bwabo ange ni para kurwa konate kogenda miruka abo ibibanda byabo byaba bigotagurwa abwase bakagerete buna ne serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira eyo egwikirania ayo ni goriti kuria rero omu kaunti atoni kwe kaunti ya Nyamira Erastus Orina esokia na gukana inganeyo ase arurekana kwegerera serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira buna tariero yabagiye gwikirania bugutagurwa kwe bibanda byabawunchuriria abaiga
ngorwe Erastus Orina intene da mangana shireze kaunti yetu ya Nyamira pole sana sibali basirije bi amali yabo segazi ya sebinde bi yospia tago na boigo ndake komanyia abantu banyamira kwamba ebinte egazi ya endelea tutari gazi ye county government of Nyamira eyo legacy igokoro na national government ikiawe bareria ekoba managed by the Kenya National Highways Authority na igo nabo baende to gukora gazi yo gutagora ebinte ebyo na kugariye para esense ya Nyamira kurese county ya government ya Nyamira tuakwani na waziri wa usikete na mangane biashara igo bagoteba nga as they are looking for alternatives for abantu aba very affected isibaraende uchi lakini nyageta AI market ya Nyabite nije iguru gwanguga wetera ujinguji no weekend egera abantu abakoreki banyororo
Ukwana na bariki bamangana maya emagoroba ya rero asomogobani oyomo ime yomoche Onyamira nigo Erastus Orina aene kebuna serikali ye kaunti yo kubwatirana amone wizara yo bonjuria nigo babere bakubeka omukya asokwene kebuna inkorenda bare abawunjuriria abakabake anene asoko baroiseria chichiro ase bagokorera obonjuriria bwabo.
As we speak now, the county government is building a number of markets, which are ready, some of them for occupation, others have been opened. Igonere njereyamo, yoko bae chance, bakora abantu bakora biashara byabo. Mwara juzi abantu bae kujicheki kure ya cooperative development. Igo is one way of developing these business people.
Chingaki echecho nigo airire chingaki echo na kubasemya abawunjuriria buna ekero banyorire ogukurerwa igoro yogutagurwa kwe bibanda nere byagosika ogukurerwa uko buna enjira eyemo yowetanga kurwaso kubara asara enene
ekere yabere boyo buna especially abantu baire notice nagusikana na mangana ko bangambare ese road reserve nere bya kwebukana gusari ebintu byagusariwa bateke steps very fast bakoraki bakuganya baka yaike ebintu byasariwa bamaja bakoraki gutagakora salvage so isabanta bange batalende onyigere injera yo kugari para for the use of the many people wale nabo abantu bakomizwa nga tigango to avoid koba on the road reserve.
Hinko reporter Gatembe kurwasu muchie omonene Onyamira oyogotoka emeye wodi ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango nje Fatigad Kisemba
na mwancho muligererie chinga kitogendrete kurwase kaunti ya Nairobi nigo abakoreri ase wizara y'obochenu utabagare y'obochenu ime ye kaunti ya Nairobi banyaka bakorokorobekanira ritukolia lero zibagendete kwa murungania ase okonyorwa kwenibo yabo gose engeria yabo ase bairire emetinye tari make batanya gwakanwa nabo igo ni banyaka bakuburi mu rubiri borongo bekwa bwokoyane kusobekwe bwokoyane kiafuna ngonyorwa bare engeria yabo.
And today is actually a day which will go down in history because we are here combined, all of us, 7 unions cutting across healthcare. that is nurses, we have medical laboratory, we have nutritionists, we have pharmaceutical technologists, we have public health, and we have clinical officers. What has made us to come out here because of this picketing is because we've had salaries, 3 months salary arrears. Shame! 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 Imagine living in Nairobi with 3 months, without being paid 3 months salary. In Nairobi, you have rent to pay, you have school fees to pay, you have to transport yourself to work. It's not like we walk to work. There are so many things which Nairobi County, unfortunately, has not kept the side of its commitment. We went on strike as doctors, and we signed a return to work formula, and they have not implemented nothing. Nurses went on strike, they signed return to work formula, and they have implemented nothing. Clinical officers went on strike, they signed return to work formula, they have implemented nothing. Actually, signing return to work formulas has become just a ceremonial affair to the county. They don't implement anything. As we speak, when it reaches 9th of every month, we don't have insurance cover. Imagine as a health worker, you're being exposing your family, and yet when it reaches 10th, you don't have a cover. When you go to hospital, you have to pay out of pocket. We are actually, even the governor was telling us how he has paid for several doctors, several staffs in Nairobi, amounting to almost 1 million. That is not right at all. We need to have a cover which is working, comprehensive cover, working 24 hours a day.
Na ujumbe we bunge ya Magadara ye kaunti ya Nairobi Moskechochi Aradwa no yobwangoiga westokia na koene kiego chikoligia karokyo bugavana ye kaunti ya Nairobi asobo cholyo bane mu mwaka bochiri bubere na 2025 ka kwana litukolia lero ye chinsemo je kibura nigo muskara abdwa boigo anyarkoba gakwariga ne balibonsi babwateganga yokoligia karokyo gochikoba ange goskwero bele komirana nere ase etebe achika kyobo cholyo bureke andamono asokuranira etiketi ye kiama kia ODM boigo muskara adwa nigabolia amaskani go chia somoraibu kiama gia ODM muskarera Moro Odinga chingagia yanto kubwatirana no moraibu enso Mosque William Ruto inse ya serikali ya Broad Belt.
Na mimi ningesema tukingojea uchaguzi ya county tumalize, then tuanze safari yetu 2027. ODM hatutakubali mambo ya zoning tena kwa hii Kenya. Hakuna zoning, tuko na 85 wards, tutaweka candidates. Ni kweli ama si kweli? 85 wards tutaweka candidates. 17 constituency tutaweka senator, tutaweka governor, tutaweka women rep, tutaweka ule yoyote anataka kuingia anataka kiti ya governor akuje kwa ODM. Na mimi pia nataka kwa hiyo kiti ya governor kwa ODM. Kwa hivyo kama kuna mnataka kusimama tukutane kwa hatutaacha ODM yetu wazi, tunaacha wazi. Kwa hivyo mimi pia nimesema kwa hivyo wamama oe, mimi pia si nimetosha? Nimeongoza chama ama sijaongoza? Nimesimama wana baba ama sijasimama? Najua kuna wengine hawezi kupenda mambo nimesema. Mwanjo muligego kirabona to kolera nsame igaye kionga chinsa ibere kolende nikotoka no mutumuko mukai gotokerana nyaga gotokomena Dr. Kena Moses Unsarigo kurwa senyekita World Fit Health Center ime yokomenya ukuya kebochenu gotosko chiali ngoro kwaro ne toto nyangiri kurwa sensame menyerelio niga korwa Wilson Makoli.
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo retembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mazi, pangina ninjo.
Omurigereria bwekera mukimaise ke kiagetembe tukuria rero basemia tujote bana ki no kuruguta mugute nguru kwemarire no kuruguta mugute inguru kwemarire oyo umugute no menteri otoka mugondo no ukoyeya nande yamera kwaye yosema ko kwa nyamambia amire umugute no menta nere kurukumugutte ono yo kurukumugutte no muntu bomete umutu paragaka mutu bomete pa gunaye ndigereti yao na tote ine no kuruguta mugute no na komete ine kiya yankerigo ndi akona kuirorero lyoko bona no kuruguta mugute nguru kwemarira to ita ikoigwa
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo retembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mazi, pangina ninjo.
Uhuru Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi Proval net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerunge tato asa mabati alia ye chigage emerunge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile Provels alia au Oriental Elegantal Versatile Gross na boigo na Versatile Mat MRM niko babwate Lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo Web Design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Uhuru na bwate.